That's great. So we have these hard drives. I haven't tested them, but I'm pretty sure they work. 80 gigs, I sell them for 10. 160, I sell for 10. And 320s, I keep, but usually I sell for 15. So, at 10 bucks, we'll say 5 each profit. The 160 and the 80. Let's put this on the side. The 320 I keep, but I usually, like I said, I sell them for 15. So they'll be more closer to like 10 bucks profit. Now the really sexy stuff here are the screens. This guy here, I checked, and is selling for about $80. This is a DV7 Pavilion screen. 17 inch, and that's why it's very expensive. So like I was saying before, I said I'll make 125 off the screens. 80 bucks just off this one. We're talking about after fees and shipping, 80 bucks. So it sells for almost 100. And then we have a couple that go for 40. I don't remember what models they came from, what models, but this one here and this one here, they're smaller screens. They go for 40 each. Let's say after fees they'd be 35 because the 40 doesn't include the shipping. So they would go for like about 50 with shipping. So we'll say 35. And then this guy here, which is a little different in shape, a little wider. I think it's a 16 inch, 15.6, so it's bigger. Is about 60, so 50 after fees and shipping. The prices I'm giving you don't include shipping, so if I'm saying 60, it's probably like around 70 with shipping. And this guy here is about another 45, so we'll say 40 with shipping. So just the screens I'm talking about, I picked up a pile of garbage, and just the screens give me, let's see, 80, 120, 170, $205, which is pretty fantastic. So just the stuff I'm gonna sell, hard drives and the screens, should give me sorry, I forgot there was a multiple there. So oops, sorry, I miscounted there. So 15 plus 10 is 80 plus 35. I had a few numbers, so 265 just from the stuff I'm gonna sell. It might take a little longer to sell the stuff, but eventually it will sell. So let's do the DVD drive.